course will be consistently using some examples throughout the course. One of the examples is this, what I call this will Sam drown problem. Now, this is a simple day-to-day example that we face with, and I think just to understand the concept, this simple example works better. So just think about a pool, where there is a pool 1, which is an adult swimming pool. Water is coming in, and what's happening that the overflow water is going to another smaller pool. So let's call this pool 2. Now, if from pool 2 there is outlet flow, it goes out, and there's another flow coming in pool 2 to maintain some level in the pool. Now this inlet has a valve, this one has a valve, but this is the overflow, so there is no control on that. Now the problem is, if the continuous flow in the first pool is coming in the same rate, the overflow coming here, this remains constant, the output remains constant, so the level is supposed to remain constant over here. Now what happens if someone increases the flow rate of water there? In that is what you can think about what will happen to this flow rate here. The level will go up here, so the flow rate will increase, and that will increase the level in the second pool. Now the problem is, if Sam is standing there, a 2-year-old boy, so the question we're asking, will Sam drown? So this is the first example that we'll be looking at. Now you can think about, this is a level control problem. Now we'll formulate the same type of problem is in this example regarding what happens if there is a heating system in the pool, and you have a temperature here, T1, and you have to maintain temperature there, what happened? Or you can think about, if chlorine is added to this pool continuously, and because of this change in the inlet flow, what happens to the chlorine concentration here and also here? You can think about this simple example, but you can formulate in the level control problem, temperature control problem, and also like the composition control problem. So I'm discussing this today so that not every time I mention something about will Sam drown problem, so you're familiar with what is that. Similarly, we'll use some other examples in this course that will really relate to more industrial problem, but I thought that, okay, describing a simple day-to-day example may be helpful to understand the basic concept, and then we can relate it to the other industrial example.